Hello, Gems family. This is Life with Marlene. I wanted to come on and to talk about YouTube Live and some of the features because I know some of the features have changed. Well, first of all, we all know that YouTube, when you go live, whether on your phone or on your computer, tablet, it is going to be free. That's one of my favorite benefits, is that it is no cost to you. Also, another thing I don't know if you all know about, but there are some filters that are on YouTube and they're free. And I counted, it's 10 filters that you get when you do YouTube Live. You can choose no filter, you can choose blush, pop, crush, glow, slate, noir, dawn, bubbles, and dance. Also, you can choose to mute your mic or you can unmute. Another thing is that they have on YouTube Live, you can choose to have your camera on or off. I found that on me having multiple channels, one of my channels I'm able to turn my camera off, and another channel I'm not able to, but I'm going to show some screenshots at the end of this video so that you can see. All you have to do is click when you are live. You can click where the little camera is and you can click on, or you can click off. You can also stream vertical, where you could be in the shorts feed, or you can stream horizontal like you are seeing me right now. Another benefit of streaming live is that you don't have to worry about the delay. Once you end your live, you're able to find out right away how many hours you got, what was the views, what were the clicks, how much likes you got, how much super chats you got. Also on YouTube Live, you are able to get your channel memberships, and you are able to click and heart the comment. And something new that I have seen recently is other people are able to comment back. Like if, say, someone gives a super chat or a super sticker, they're able to say, thank you so much for super chatting whoever the host is. Another thing that I've seen on YouTube Live is that you can turn the chat on, or you can turn the chat off. You also can choose to turn subscriber mode on only, or you can turn that off as well. This has just been a short feature of YouTube Live. Will you choose to use YouTube Live? Let me know in the comment section below, and I'm going to share in the next clips. I took some screenshots of how it looks when you turn your camera on and off, and also how it looks when you are streaming vertically and horizontally. As you can see right here where that camera is with the line through it, that means your camera is off. If you want to turn your camera on, you click it again, and then you will be able to have your camera on. And here is how it looks when you are streaming horizontally. You can see the third icon. That is to stream vertically. All you have to do is click that, and if you would like to do the opposite, now you click the button again and you will be streaming vertically, and this is how you can show up in the shorts feed. So make your choice whether you want to do vertical or you want to do horizontal, whether you want to turn your camera on or you want to turn your camera off. There is always options for you here on YouTube, and like I said, it's free. Please leave me a comment in the comment section below, and make sure you subscribe to this channel and you hit the like. This is Life with Marlene, and I'm out.